Hi, my name Adinda Dewi Saputri and this video is for my final exam Rise and Fall of MNC course, and then I'm from LV66. Did you know, in the current era of globalization, the level of success of a country is a value of economic condition and living standard in the country? Did you agree with this statement? Let's discuss from historical explanation which are also supported by some theories based on fact. Check this out. America, China, Korea, and Japan are the series of developed countries in this era. By looking at the economic condition in our country, we can immediately find how they can strengthen their influence in our country. In this session, we will discuss Japan, which now one of the country with a strong influence. From the four countries that I mentioned before, Japan is a country that has been in a worse position before being in current position. Industrialization is the key for the recovery Japan. The history of Sogo Sosa is one of the reasons for the rise of Japan. Sogo Sosa is a group of multinational corporate capitalists who drive the Japanese economy in coordination with government support. This is an important point for the process of Japan revival. With the help of Japanese government, the capitalists tried to enter international trade to create a strong influence on Japan. This condition can be explained with triangle relation theory by Kenneth Building. Triangle relation explains the relationship between market, government, and society. The first is market, economic condition that occurred in a country. Market condition of a country can explain how the prevailing economic level. At this point, also includes some business ownership, which is also one of the important players in the institution that occurred in market. The second is state, the policy formulated by the government and enforcement. In each country will determine which direction the aspect. Specifically for economy, the form of market by government here has a strong dependence. The third is society. Society is one of the elements that support the establishment of country. The needs and kicks that are desired by the community can influence the politics that are formed and implemented in a country. Sogo Sosa or multinational corporate capitalists in Japan represent the economy and the market. Sogo Sosa has a role helping in the country to improve the economy. This was also marked by policies by the state to efforts made by Sogo Sosa. Also, the government set policies that are useful the long term. By preparing the best human research capable of working by Japan exchange Japanese students abroad. From the three elements, the economic aspect is in the top position. This is because during the decline of Japan, multinational corporate capitalists together helped the country by trying to strengthen Japan in economy. Then, in the second place is society. This is because the community play a role implementing direction of the government goals with the best human research. And then, the role of state is also important because the state will help make policy and implement in the country. The relationship between Sogo Sosa, Japanese government, and also society show how coordinate and support are the key of developing the country. The role of people with a spirit of nationalism strongly support the effort made by multinational corporate capitalists and government companies. In addition to explain coordination between multinational companies, state, and society, Japan also depends on IoT on the era of globalization in market expansion. This is also explained through digitalization, which has caused area and borders disappear, like what happened the impact of globalization. This is show the various development and advance the world, especially the easy way to use technology. Several processes also support the globalization process, starting from liberalization, universalization, and also westernization. Liberalization means freedom which is applied in the international system, and then become the basis of all economic activities that occur between countries. From the liberalization process, it occurred globalization, and then make some changes in life such as westernization, which means adopting Western culture, and also universalization, which means adopting culture from various countries in the world. In this case, as we know that Japan is a country that uses IoT in various activities, technology is increasing developing because the support of globalization, making Japan able to optimize all opportunity they have. This is shown by Sogo Sosa. Various multinational companies in Japan come from various types, but they can connect it with technology to make Japan product is the best product in international. However, the use of technology is not only used by Japan. Therefore, the strategy in export opportunity to use technology is the key how Japan they can best among the other country. Okay, that's all my explanation. Thank you for watching.